Oh, hi, didn't see you there. My name is Nature Guy, and I'm gonna teach you how to nature. Alright, so, the first rule of nature is that you have to know what you're dealing with. And right now, as you can see, we're in the desert. Absolutely nothing here, not even water. Right, so, now that we know we have nothing, we know what to deal with. Alright, you see that there? That's a snake. Don't provoke it. That's how you deal with a snake properly. Ramon here said that we've been going in circles, but I don't think so. I know my way. Oh my god, is that a freaking snake that remains? Someone stomped all over it. That's terrible. Who would do that to us? Poor little snake. Oh, yeah, that's not dead. That's not dead. It just bit me. I'll be right back. Nature Man's back. After a short trip to the hospital, I'm back at it again. This time we're in the forest. The scenario, you're being chased by a bear. The number one thing, don't get caught while being chased by a bear. Alright guys, so when you're getting chased by a bear, you want to make sure you have the most clear path possible. And in order to do this, you need to move everything obstructing your way. For example, let's go. Got that out of the way. And by now, you should have escaped the bear. Alright guys, this time I'm teaching you how to run away from a snake, because last time was a bit traumatic for me. Alright, we've just found our snake. Now, what you want to do first is you want to run. I got bit. Alright guys, luckily that bite wasn't lethal. We've been stuck out here for about 3 months now, no civilization, no water. You know how it is in the desert, lots of snakes. Luckily none of them lethal, somehow, maybe not.
Wait, hold up mate.
What?
Look behind you.
What's that? What is that there?
Mate, those are houses.
It's been 3 months.
Are you right?
Mate, so I'm quitting. I'm quitting the job. I can't do it anymore.
So,
I'm done.
Hey, it's okay.
No, it's not okay.
Yeah, it is.
It's not okay, okay? It's not. It's just not.
Come back, man.
Are you joking?
There's water right there.
You can have that.
Wow.
You know what? I'm just gonna go home. I'm going home now.
Come back, mate.
No.
Come on. Don't leave.
I'm going home. My house is right there. I see my house. It's right there.
Oh my god.
I'm going home. Alright guys, Nature Man's back, but this time you can call me Suburban Man. Today I'm going to teach you how to swing. Go ahead and you can just swing like normal. Put your legs out, put your legs back in, and then it should be pretty much... Ain't nobody got time for that.